Ladies and gentlemen, let's record some expenses in Zoho Books. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a number of expenses that you can record within Zoho Books, within any business. And what you want to do is go into purchases. And here you want to click on expenses. Now, every business has many expenses, and this is a nice way of actually managing this because you can actually categorize this. So let's go and click on create new expense. And here you can add in your expense account. Now, this is important. Okay, so here you'll have the cost of goods. So this is the cost of goods sold. So this is now making a purchase of goods. You'll have advertising and marketing, automobile expenses, bad debt, banking fees, consultant expenses. There are so many. Now, if you've gone through this list and you haven't found something that you would like to categorize this expense in, you can go ahead and click on create new, and here you'll be able to create a new expense type. So you will choose an account type. So we're going to just leave it at fixed asset. But as you can see here, you can choose, again, so many options. It also gives you some additional information here. We're going to add in account name. You can make a sub account if you'd like to, the account code, and a description. And you're going to say save and select. Now, it'll be selected in here. Okay, so for example, automobile expenses, and you can change your currency. The amount we're going to just make 1,000, and here we're going to choose how it is paid. Okay, so if it's paid through petty cash, undeposited funds, you can see again all of the details down here. Now, if you've connected your bank account, your business bank account, you'll actually see this under this category as well. So you can have it paid directly from your account. Okay, for now, just for example purposes, we'll just choose petty cash. If there is a vendor that you are paying, let's say, for example, this expense is going under automobile expenses, and it is going to a specific vendor. Okay, so let's just say Easy Chairs, and you'll give a reference, add a note, and then you'll have your customer name. Okay, we're going to leave that blank for now. And here we have some reporting tags. So if you would like to just add different tags so that you can view your reports a little bit easier and categorize them, you can do so. For now, we're going to go ahead and say save. This is now an expense that has been recorded, okay? And it will now come from the account that you've chosen for it to come from. Of course, you can go ahead and edit this expense again if you would like to make any changes to it, and then you'll just go ahead and say save again.